Now the third safety feature we have is known as double insulation. अभी तक हमने कौन से दो पढ़े? We talked about fuses. तो आपके पास large current आता है, produces a heating effect and causes the wire to melt. और आपके electrical appliance is now safe. Then we talked about earth wire, which provides a low resistance pathway. Or I'll be asking you questions in the end of the class as well. Stay. Do remember that. फिर earth wire क्या करती? Provides a low resistance pathway. So a high current flows through the live wire, and when it is about to touch the metal casing, all the current goes into the earth wire, and when a person touches that metal casing, he or she would not get electric shock. Now, talking about metal casings, continue with the same concept. What if we cover that metal casing with a insulator? Problem solved, isn't it? What if we provide not just one insulation? How about a double insulation of a insulator? Problem solved. No more metal casing. Now, some appliances do not have metal cases, and so there is no risk of them being electrified. Such appliances are said to be double insulated as they have two layers of insulation. For example, your charger. Is your charger made up of metal? नहीं. जो आपके पास outer casing है, that is totally plastic, but it is layered in double insulation. Now, insulation around the wires themselves, the non-metallic case acts as a second layer of insulation. एक आपके पास insulation तो अंदर होगी, और जो बाहर आपके पास होती, which the person handles with his hands, is the double insulation, the second layer of insulation. Now, double insulated appliances do not require an earth wire and are usually marked with the following symbol. A lot of boxes of electrical appliances has this symbol. जैसे कि आपको blender लेते हैं, juice maker लेते हैं, they all have these markers outside this box, which means that this appliance is safe. They do not have a metal casing, and it is double insulated, which is completely safe and can be used within the range of the user as well. So obviously, आपका जो metal casing वाला था, completely problem solved. They don't even require an earth wire. Why do you need an earth wire if you don't even have a metal casing? If metal casing होगी, yes, then you need an earth wire. When you are using double insulation, when you're using a plastic layer, a polythene layer, a double plastic layer, there is no need of earth wire in these type of appliances. For example, this is an appliance, and this is here you can see behind that appliance, this is a sign which shows the double insulated symbol, and that this appliance is actually completely safe to use. या बस उसके power दी हुई है, voltage दिया हुआ है, ये 50 hertz है, made in China, Panasonic Corporation. साथ उन्होंने Panasonic वाली कंपनी ने साइन लगाया हुआ है that yes, this product is double insulated and is completely safe to use, won't get electrocuted, won't get an electric shock. क्योंकि examiner asks कौन से safety features हैं, describe any 3 safety features. You can talk about fuses, earthing, and double insulation as well. So this was the third safety feature. जैसे कि double insulated में आप देख सकते हैं, an electrical appliance like a hair dryer, fan, vacuum cleaner, etc. are common at home. Common characteristics among them are 2-pin plugs or 3-pin plugs with a plastic earth pin. अब आगे जो होती है, कभी कभार plastic earth pin भी होती है, बिल्कुल उनका जो end होता है, that is the metal tip. In addition, they also have a sticker labeled with the symbol showing that this product is double insulated. And this is all for the safety features. Next हमारा circuit breakers होगा, जिसको हम भी discuss करते हैं.